If you want to learn and finish the Easy Arabic course in short period of time, go to www.doortoknowledge.org and register. Jazakumullah khair.
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We're starting Learn Quran ayah by ayah. So inshallah we will go over each ayah inshallah ta'ala and learn it. And we will start from Surah Al-Fatiha, which is called the opening. So the first verse is Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, meaning all praise be to Allah, Lord of the worlds. So this is the meaning. Alhamdu, all praise, or all type of praises. Alhamdu lillahi, for Allah or to Allah. Lillahi, lam is harfi jar. We have studied meaning for or to. Rabb meaning Lord. Rabb, Lord. Al-Alameen meaning the worlds. Al-Alameen, the worlds. So Alhamdu meaning all type of praises belongs to who? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It has the alif lam at the beginning. It means all type of. This is alif lam jinsiyah. It means all type of. If you praise anyone or anything, it goes to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Meaning that praise belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the creator. Alhamdu, all praise. So Alhamdu came from Hamida. Hamida is the past tense, meaning he praised. Hamida, he praised. And the Muqari future tense is Yahmadu, meaning he will praise. Or a present tense, he praises. Hamida Yahmadu. Lillahi, to Allah or for Allah. Lillahi, to Allah or for Allah. The word Lillahi is made of two words or two letters. Lam, harfi jar, and Allah. Lam and Allah. Together it becomes Lillahi. So Lam is harfi jar. We have studied preposition. And Allah, the word Allah is majroor. Lam is the harfi jar, and the word Allah is majroor. Lillahi, for Allah or to Allah. The lam, which is harfi jar, give kasra to the word which is coming after. In this case it is Allah, so it is lillahi. It is not lillaha or lillahu, so it is lillahi. The word Allahu becomes lillahi because of the harfi jar preposition. The word Rabb meaning Lord. Rabb, Lord. Why Rabb has kasra? Why is Rabbi? Rabbi. Asal, it is the original is Rabbun. Rabbun. It has kasra because of the harfi jar. Lillahi. The harfi jar, which is lam, it gives kasra to the word Allah and Rabb. It is Mawsul Sifat. And inshallah, if you take the full course, you will understand all these. Try to take the full course, inshallah ta'ala, This will make you understand. There's many grammar rules. Once you understand, then learning or understanding the Quran becomes very easy. So Rabbi has zair because of the harf jar lam. Al-Alameen meaning the words. Al-Alameen meaning the words. Alameen has come from the word alam. Alam meaning world. And plural is alameen. Alameen. Why it is alameen? Why it is not alamun? Alamun. It is because of the Rabbi. Rabb gives kasra to alameen, and the state is jar. So alameen. Again, if you take the full course, you will understand why it is alameen. It is in the state of jar. So alameen is because of Rabb. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. The Rabb is mudaf and Alameen is mudafun ilayh. So Rabb is mudaf and Alameen is mudafun ilayh. It is giving the translation of off. If there's off, for example, door of the masjid. Door of the masjid. Or you can say masjid's door. Again, if you take the full course, inshallah ta'ala, this will help you a lot, inshallah ta'ala. If you give little of your time, as all the time I'm saying, we are giving so much time to understand and learn other things. Years and years, 20, 25, 30 years we give for to become something. But we should give at least some time to understand the language of Quran, so we can understand the Quran and the Hadith. So Rabb is mudaf and Al-Alameen is mudafun ilayh. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise be to Allah, Lord of the worlds. So this is it for this video. In the next video, we will inshallah study the next verse.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and ring the bell for the upcoming videos. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.